Hello everyone, it's Scruffy here again. On this planet, sometimes nature brings us miraculous and rare phenomena that are hard to believe. These animals are truly one in 1,000 years. From mysterious two-headed creatures to those with the ability to glow, each species carries a special story, a unique existence in the natural world. Let's explore them all in today's video. The first rare creature I want to talk about is the four-legged snake. The four-legged snake was discovered in Brazil. Fossils of this snake date back about 110 million years, to the Cretaceous period. This snake is described as having a body length of about 8 inches, which is about 20 centimeters, with 4 small legs, each about 0.4 inches, or about 1 centimeter, long. Its overall shape is similar to a modern snake, but with distinct features of legs. Both the front and hind legs had toes and claws. Although small, these legs may have had important functions in the snake's movement and daily activities. Scientists hypothesize that the four-legged snake might have used its legs for climbing or holding onto prey. This snake has skull structure characteristics similar to modern snakes, but still retains features of ancient reptiles. The skull is long and narrow, with small and sharp teeth, indicating it could have been an effective predator. Number 2. The two-headed turtle. The two-headed turtle, with the existence of 2 brains on one body, creates a fierce struggle for control over daily activities. Each brain has its own decisions and reactions, leading to constant conflicts in direction. When one head decides to move forward, the other might want to go backward, resulting in a stuck situation between opposing wills. This lack of coordination not only reduces movement efficiency, but also makes the two-headed turtle an easy target for predators. Moreover, finding and accessing food becomes a significant challenge. When one head detects food and wants to move towards it, the other might disagree or even feel threatened, leading to fierce disputes between the two heads. This not only loses the opportunity to access food, but also creates continuous tension between the 2 brains, seriously affecting the turtle's overall health. Additionally, in the survival battle against environmental threats, the two-headed turtle faces numerous challenges. Quick reflexes and consistent actions are crucial in nature, but with 2 controlling brains, the two-headed turtle often reacts slowly and inconsistently, increasing the risk of being attacked by predators. These challenges make the life of a two-headed turtle full of stress and danger, like an endless battle for survival. Number 3. The two-headed pig. The existence of the two-headed pig results from an abnormal embryonic development process, where 2 embryos do not fully separate, leading to the formation of 2 heads on one body. Similar to the two-headed turtle, the two-headed pig faces many challenges in controlling its body. Moreover, feeding becomes a major challenge. Both mouths might simultaneously want to eat, leading to competition and difficulties in efficiently consuming food. In many cases, one head might dominate, leaving the other without sufficient nutrition, affecting the overall growth and health of the body. Number 4. The two-headed snake. The two-headed snake is a bizarre and rare phenomenon in the animal world, astonishing and intriguing anyone who sees it. The occurrence of this snake is so rare it's almost unbelievable. Imagine a snake with 2 heads, each with its own brain but sharing the same body. This abnormality presents countless challenges and difficulties for the snake in its daily life. Just like the turtle and pig, the existence of 2 brains on one body makes controlling the body extraordinarily complex. Each brain can make its own decisions and reactions, turning movement and hunting into an internal battle. When one head wants to move forward, the other might want to go backward, causing continuous conflict. This not only reduces the snake's chances of survival, but also makes it an easy target for other predators. Number 5. Sorad Chinor. The giraffe with a twisted neck. A giraffe with a twisted neck faces numerous challenges in its daily life. Controlling and moving a twisted neck is not simple. Each step requires absolute balance to avoid falling. With a twisted neck, the giraffe must find ways to get food from taller trees. When drinking water, the twisted neck can make the giraffe more vulnerable to predators because it has to bend down a greater distance than normal. Furthermore, communicating with other giraffes becomes more complicated. A twisted neck can reduce the ability to produce effective sounds or even make it difficult to perform normal communication gestures. Number 6. The glowing seahorse. These glowing seahorses emit a mysterious and eye-catching light, which is not the result of natural evolution, but advanced genetic modification technology. Scientists have combined the glowing genes of jellyfish with elements from real gold, creating a seahorse that glows bright yellow. The process begins with extracting the glowing gene from the jellyfish, which encodes a protein capable of bioluminescence. Scientists then combine this gene with elements from gold and insert them into the seahorse's genome. The result is a seahorse that glows yellow when exposed to ultraviolet light or under specific lighting conditions. Number 7. The two-faced cat. The two-faced cat is an extremely rare phenomenon in the animal world. This occurs when the embryo does not completely split in the early stages of development, with two faces on one head, including two noses, two mouths, and four eyes. In some rare cases, the two faces might share one eye in the middle. Each face has its own brain or part of a brain, causing conflict in controlling basic functions such as eating and breathing. Having two faces on one body poses many difficulties for the cat in surviving. Each face may have its own needs and reactions, leading to conflicts and challenges in daily life. For example, when one face eats, the other might have trouble breathing, creating complex situations. While most cats with this condition usually live only a few days, Frank and Louie is a special two-headed cat that lived much longer than the average lifespan of cats with similar conditions. Frank and Louie was born with a defect, having two faces merged on one body. Typically, cats born with this condition do not live long, but Frank and Louie lived for 15 years, from 1999 to 2014, becoming one of the longest living two-faced cats on record. Number 8. The eight-legged goat. There have been cases where goats were born with 8 legs, and some even had both male and female reproductive systems, a miraculous and rare phenomenon in the animal world. However, these goats usually die shortly after birth, which is quite tragic. If they survived, having 8 legs would present numerous challenges in controlling and balancing the body. They would need to learn to coordinate all legs harmoniously and efficiently, with the risk of falling or injury potentially occurring at any time. Sometimes having too much is not good. Number 9. The white alligator. This alligator is completely different from its kind, giving it both unique beauty and numerous challenges in life. First, let's talk about the lack of melanin. This deficiency gives the white alligator a distinctive and recognizable color. However, its white color makes it extremely difficult to hide. In the natural environment, camouflage is vital, and the white alligator nearly loses this advantage. The inability to blend into the surroundings makes it easily detectable by both prey and predators. This not only makes hunting challenging, but also directly affects its survival chances. The white alligator faces many difficulties when trying to stalk and attack prey. Prey easily detects its presence from afar and quickly escapes, leaving the white alligator often hungry. Not only is hunting difficult, but the white alligator also faces great danger from other predators. Its noticeable white color makes it an easy target, especially when young and not strong enough to defend itself. The lack of camouflage ability is a key factor that often shortens the lifespan of white alligators in the wild. Moreover, the white color of the alligator makes it vulnerable to sunburn. Without melanin, its skin lacks protection against harmful UV rays, leading to a risk of sunburn and other health issues. Number 10. The Human-Faced Goat. A human-faced goat was once born, and its life lasted only 10 minutes. From the moment it was born, it became the center of attention. Its human-like face, with clear eyes, nose, and mouth, created an image both mesmerizing and frightening. Many believed it to be a divine sign, a symbol of the intersection between humans and nature. In its brief existence, the human-faced goat was treated like a deity, worshipped and revered. However, this unique appearance was also the reason for its short life. The abnormal biological structures caused severe problems. Its respiratory and circulatory systems could not function normally, making it difficult to breathe and sustain life. Number 11. The Three-Eyed Fish. A strange fish unexpectedly jumped into a boat of 5 fishermen while they were cleaning the boat at night. Initially, they did not clearly see the fish, but upon inspection with a lantern, they discovered the fish had 3 eyes. The third eye was located on its forehead, creating a rather frightening appearance. The 2 main eyes remained in their usual positions, but had different shapes. This fish attracted strong attention due to its rare anomaly. The fishermen caught it in Lake Chorro de Agua Caliente in Argentina near a nuclear power plant. They believed this mutation was caused by wastewater from the plant. The fish was taken to a laboratory for radiation testing instead of being eaten. Number 12. The One-Eyed Goat. In contrast to the multi-eyed fish mentioned above, this goat was born with only one eye located in the middle of its forehead, a rare congenital disorder known as cyclopia. In addition to having one eye, the goat had many other structural abnormalities, severely affecting its health. Sadly, the goat only lived a short time after birth. Its appearance attracted the attention of scientists and veterinarians, as it provided a rare opportunity to study congenital disorders and embryonic development mechanisms. Cyclopia typically occurs due to issues in the developmental process, such as disruptions in cell division or environmental factors affecting the fetus. Scientists have conducted many studies to understand better and find ways to prevent congenital disorders in the future. Number 13. The Two-Legged Dog. A dog named Faith lost its front legs when it was young. Its owner patiently and dedicatedly helped it learn to move using its hind legs. They started by placing a spoon of peanut butter on a spoon and holding it high, so Faith had to jump up to reach it. Gradually, Faith learned to stand upright and move on its hind legs like a human. Faith became a symbol of perseverance and overcoming adversity. This dog appeared on many television shows and became known to millions of people worldwide. Faith not only brought joy and hope to many people, but also inspired the strength of love and patience in helping creatures in difficult circumstances. Number 14. The Muscular Dog. A dog named Hulk became famous for having muscles twice as developed as normal dogs. This is the result of a rare genetic disorder called myostatin-related muscle hypertrophy, causing extraordinary muscle growth. Hulk not only has an impressive appearance with bulging muscles, but also possesses extraordinary strength. However, excessive muscle development comes with many challenges. Hulk requires a special diet and regular medical care to ensure health. Excessive muscle growth can cause joint and heart problems, requiring close monitoring by veterinarians. Number 15. The Pink Grasshopper. The pink grasshopper stands out with its vibrant color, different from ordinary grasshoppers. Instead of the usual green or brown, the pink grasshopper has a bright pink color due to a special genetic mutation. This mutation affects their pigmentation, making them brightly colored and easily noticeable. The pink grasshopper not only surprises with its unique appearance, but also becomes an important research subject for scientists. Their pink color results from a genetic mutation called erythrism, similar to albinism, but instead of lacking melanin, they have an excess of red pigments. This phenomenon is not only limited to grasshoppers, but can also be seen in other animals, such as birds and reptiles. The existence of these unique animals is a testament to the infinite diversity and wonder of nature. Despite facing countless challenges, they still survive, rise, and make us ponder about life, evolution, and the ability to overcome adversity. Do you know of any more unique animals? Leave a comment below to let me and everyone else know. Finally, do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you do not miss the latest discoveries from Scruffy. Thank you and see you in the next videos.